Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Smart Lock Access from Apple Home and iCloud. Complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Smart Lock Access from Apple Home and iCloud, follow these steps. Begin by unlocking your Apple device. Open the Home app on your device. Locate the smart lock that you wish to remove. Press and hold the smart lock icon. A menu will appear with options related to the smart lock. Select Settings from the menu. Scroll down and find the option that says Remove Access. Tap on Remove Access to confirm. Next, exit the Home app. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Select iCloud from the list of options. Tap on Manage Storage. Look for Home in the list of apps using iCloud storage. Select Home to view devices connected to your iCloud. Locate the smart lock you want to uninstall. Swipe left on the smart lock entry. Tap on Delete to remove it from iCloud. Confirm the deletion when prompted. After that, return to the Home app. Verify that the smart lock no longer appears in your list of devices. Your smart lock has now been successfully uninstalled from Apple Home and iCloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.